sinampahan na rin po ng plunder case itong si Senator Rodante Marcoleta, and we all know na isa siya dun sa mga uupo na Senator Judge dyan po sa impeachment court. So kung sakali na matuloy yung pag-i-issue ng warrant of arrest laban sa kanya at na-tsempo doon sa ongoing ang impeachment, how will it affect the proceedings? I don't know kung may numbers na kailangan para yung senator judges para magdire-diretso yung trial.
Yung numbers naman po to convene is basically a majority of the senators, ano? So I don't think there is any impact. Kung ano man ho yung it's an entirely separate and independent eventuality, to be clear. It has no relation to the impeachment. That is for the senator to face on his own. Ito po nga plunder proceedings po niya. So in the event, kung ano man ho yung mangyari on whichever day, ating ko naman po magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin po yun kasi meron pa rin naman hong sufficienteng bilang ng mga senador, senator judges to open the proceedings.